take your time and talk to me. Get your power, no come. I will give you some money. You have children. You have children. One who can't have one. Don't touch me. Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Why? Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me? Are you stupid?
Do you want to get me off of me?
Then you start to talk. We have given your chance.
We have crafted. We have crafted. We have woman, what challenge? Stupid woman. What is this? No. Could you both of you shut your mouth? I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared. You are stupid woman. Hey, mommy, turn your position. Say, what is that? Change your seat. Madam.